Hi everyone, it's Angel Shaver, Stampin' Up Independent Demonstrator from Kansas. And first of all, I need to apologize for being late today. I was getting everything set up, thought I had plenty of time, got distracted, lost track of time. But here we are, and I am here, and we are working on card 2 in the Beautiful Blizzard bundle stamp set, and this one really features the thinlits. Now this bundle is on the year-end clearance, so if you are the year-end closeout, so if you love it, you're going to want to head on over to my shop and check it out. But I'm going to get you pointed down so we can go ahead and get started. I did want to tell you some exciting news. The 2019 Occasions Catalog and Celebration Flyer will be arriving at my door tomorrow. And I will be preparing packages, getting them ready to get mailed out on Monday. So if you want to be sure that you get a catalog, make sure you comment, send me an email, give me a call, and let me know. If you have attended a class or ordered anything from me in the last year, you will be getting one in the mail. But if you're not sure and you want to be sure you get one, just let me know. Alright, here we go. Okay, I hope that that's a good angle that you can see from. I've already tied my bow. I'm going to set that aside. And you don't have to watch me do what is probably the most time-consuming part of this project, which is run the sparkle glimmer paper through the Big Shot to get all of those snowflakes cut out, and then punch them out. Do it extra careful so you can be sure to have some dark ends there, a complete negative to put on another card. And we are using the Rich Razzleberry cardstock so that you can see the snowflakes through the paper, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I have cut a piece of Rich Razzleberry cardstock, hot dog style, which is 4 1/4 by 11. And I am going to, first thing I'm going to do is take my glue, and we are going to glue down the glimmer paper on the front of the card. And I'm trying to put glue just wherever. My glue's being naughty today. Put glue wherever I have some solid spots. Okay, this glue is not behaving itself. So, I'm going to get my fine tip glue, which is probably what I should have been using for this project anyway. If I was putting down any of the snowflakes, that's for sure what I would be using. Having a little trouble getting it open. Alright, there we go. Okay, so I am putting some glue on all of these spaces, the places of the back of the glimmer paper that's still kind of all in one piece. And this is going to help it stick to the front. Of my cardstock. Pine tip glue does not have as much give as, say, the Tombow, so make sure you get it where you want it before you stick it down. Then we're going to go ahead and do our stamping. This is for the card interior, and we are using just 2 ink colors today. I have Rich Raspberry and Night of Navy. And I am going to make a snowstorm of Rich Raspberry snowflakes just through diagonal through the center of this card. And then I'm going to take the Night of Navy, and that's what I'm going to use for the sentiment. And this says, if a hug were a snowflake, I'd send you a blizzard. And I'm going to put it right center. I tried when I was making my diagonal blizzard of snowflakes to be sure and do the lighter snowflakes in the center that had been, good grief, I thought maybe if I left this there for a minute it would, there we go, help some of the glue run down towards the tip. And then I am putting this on the inside of the card. And I have a little more wiggle room because I used the Tombow. Okay, and while we are stamping, I'm going to take this scrap of Very Vanilla and stamp Season's Greetings. Stamp it right there. Then I will be cutting it out. Now, I don't have great dimensions for you, but let's see if we can figure those out while I cut. I know that it is 4 1/4. And then I just use my trimmer and trim very, fairly close to my words. It looks like that's about 3/4 of an inch. And then I will be taking the dimensionals, figuring out where I want my sentiment. And taking the dimensionals and adding them kind of in where the holes are in the glimmer paper. This will make it a bit easier for it to actually stick. Okay. Take the backing off of my dimensionals. Put on my greeting. I think you could cut your greeting to closer to 1/2 inch and wide, and that would still work. The one thing I forgot to get out was a glue dot. Let's see if they're close at hand. I am not seeing them. Wonder what I did with my glue dots. Well, I will find them eventually. But I will just show you. Here is the bow cut from the rich raspberry velvet ribbon, and it will require a glue dot to stick that on there, and that will make your beautiful blizzard card number 2. Make sure you come back next week when we'll be doing card number 3. And if you want an occasions catalog or a celebration flyer, please make sure you let me know before I get them sent out. I guess it doesn't matter. If I need to buy more, I'll buy more and send you some. But I will be sending them out Monday. So if you want your hands on it in the first round that I send out, let me know this weekend. I will see you here next week. Bye.